When you say you go to Kettering, you can see it resonates with people, definitely in the automotive industry.
Moving forward with my next degree, Kettering just seemed like the next stepping stone. As an industrial engineer going into lean manufacturing, I knew that that would give me an opportunity to grow and to find perhaps an area which I could really excel in.
The reason I wake up in the morning is I'm passionate about online learning. There aren't a lot of online engineering graduate programs, and that makes it exciting to be part of something new.
We bring in the latest and greatest learning materials to class, so students are in touch with what's happening today.
I think what really set the tone with me was being able to relate with the professors in regards to things they might have gone through and what they believe they should have done, and then maybe changed it for me.
Kettering provided me a good set of skills and knowledge to perform my job at GM.
You're not just teaching somebody something, you're also helping, mentoring, coaching, showing the way to do things with that knowledge.
The program completely blew away my expectation. I actually took a lot of my work projects and utilized them with school. Kettering has a reputation of being a school with high levels of education, great expectations, and I wouldn't have expected anything less.